Welcome to SAS Beast Pro. In today's video, we're diving into 7 Excel settings on PC you need to enable today to make your workflow faster, safer, and more efficient than ever. You'll learn how these quick tweaks can save your data and your time. Now let's get started. Number 1. Enable AutoSave and AutoRecover. This feature ensures your work is never lost, even if Excel crashes or your PC shuts down unexpectedly. It automatically saves versions of your file at set intervals, protecting you from data loss. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Excel and click on File in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to the main settings area. Step 2. Select Options from the menu to open the Excel Options window. Step 3. In the left-hand pane, click on Save. Here you'll find all the AutoSave and AutoRecover settings. Step 4. Check the box for Save AutoRecover information every X minutes, and set it to a lower number like 5 or 10 for more frequent backups. Step 5. Make sure the option Keep the last autosaved version if I close without saving is also checked to prevent data loss if Excel closes unexpectedly. Step 6. Click OK to save your changes, and your AutoSave and AutoRecover settings will now keep your work protected automatically. Number 2. Turn on Formula Autocomplete. This setting helps you create and edit formulas faster while reducing typing and syntax errors. It suggests functions and arguments as you type, making your workflow smoother and more accurate. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. On the Excel ribbon, click on File. This opens the main menu where all your Excel settings are located. Step 2. Click on Options. This brings up the Excel Options dialog box where you can customize your Excel experience. Step 3. In the Excel Options window, select Formulas. This tab contains all the settings related to how Excel handles formulas. Step 4. Under Working with Formulas, check the box labeled Formula Autocomplete. This enables Excel to automatically suggest functions and arguments as you type. Step 5. To disable Formula Autocomplete, simply uncheck the same box. Number 3. Adjust default font size and type. Customizing your default font and size gives Excel a fresh, polished look every time you open it. It makes your data easier to read, keeps your sheets consistent, and adds a personal touch to your workspace. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Excel and click File in the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. Scroll down and select Options from the menu. Step 3. In the Excel Options window, look for the section called When Creating New Workbooks. Step 4. Next to use this as the default font, open the drop-down list and choose the font you like best. For example, Consolas for a clean, modern look. Step 5. Then, pick your preferred font size, like 14 for a bit more breathing room and better readability. Step 6. Once you've chosen both, click OK to confirm. Step 7. Excel will prompt you to close and restart the app for changes to take effect. Click OK and reopen Excel. Step 8. When Excel reopens, you'll notice your new font instantly applied to all the cells and the formula bar. Step 9. To use a different font specifically for your cells, go to the Home tab and click the Cell Styles button. Step 10. Right-click on the normal style and choose Modify from the list. Step 11. Click Format, then switch to the Font tab, where you can pick a new font, style, or color to match your layout. Step 12. Press OK, then OK again, and your chosen font will update right away. Step 13. From now on, every new Excel workbook will open with your customized font style. Clean, professional, and uniquely yours. Number 4. Disable Flash Fill notifications. Turning off Flash Fill prevents Excel from making unwanted automatic changes that could disrupt your data patterns. It keeps your editing process precise and under your full control. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the File tab in the top left corner of Excel. This opens up the main menu where all your program settings live. Step 2. From the menu, select Options at the bottom. This will open the Excel Options window for detailed customization. Step 3. In the left panel, click the Advanced tab. Here you'll find several controls that affect how Excel behaves during editing. Step 4. Scroll to the Editing Options section. This is where you can manage how Excel assists or automates your input. Step 5. Uncheck the box for Automatically Flash Fill. This disables Excel's automatic filling, so you can control your data manually. Step 6. Click OK to save your changes. Your new setting will apply immediately, keeping your workflow cleaner and more deliberate. Number 5. Manage Excel add-ins and COM add-ins. Managing Excel add-ins allows you to enable or disable extra features that boost productivity and streamline tasks. This ensures Excel runs efficiently and only uses the tools you actually need. It's essential for customizing your workflow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the File tab at the top left corner of Excel to open the main menu and access Excel's core settings. Step 2. From the menu, select Options to open the Excel Options window, where you can control various settings. Step 3. In the left-hand panel, click on Add-ins to see a list of all installed Excel add-ins. Step 4. Look at the bottom of the window for the Manage box, then click the drop-down and choose either Excel add-ins or COM add-ins, depending on which type you want to manage. Step 5. Click the Go button next to the Manage box to open the Add-ins dialog box with detailed options. Step 6. In the dialog box, you'll see a list of installed add-ins. Check the box next to an add-in to enable it or uncheck it to disable it. Step 7. Review your selections carefully to ensure you only load the add-ins you need for your workflow. Step 8. Click OK to apply the changes, then wait for Excel to load or unload the add-ins, completing the process. Number 6. Set default Workbook View. Setting a default Workbook View saves time and ensures consistency every time you create a new sheet. It helps you start in the view that suits your workflow best. Choosing the right view also improves efficiency when formatting or printing. Let's do it. Step 1. Open Excel and click on the File tab in the top left corner. This will bring up the main menu where all options are accessible. Step 2. At the bottom of the menu, select Options. This opens the Excel Options window, where you can customize settings. Step 3. In the Excel Options window, click on the General tab in the left-hand pane. This section controls default behaviors for new workbooks. Step 4. Scroll down to the When Creating New Workbooks section. Here you can adjust settings specific to every new workbook you create. Step 5. Click the drop-down menu next to Default View for New Sheets. This lets you pick the starting view for new sheets. Step 6. Choose your desired view: Normal View, Page Break Preview, or Page Layout View. Each option gives a different perspective on your worksheet. Step 7. Click OK to save your changes. Now every new workbook opens in your preferred view automatically. Number 7. Change Quick Access Toolbar Location. Adjusting the Quick Access Toolbar location makes your Excel workspace more intuitive and personalized, boosting your efficiency and reducing the time spent navigating commands. It's a small tweak with a big impact. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Locate the Quick Access Toolbar button at the top left corner of your Excel window, just above the ribbon. This is where your frequently used commands are stored. Step 2. Click the small drop-down arrow at the end of the Quick Access toolbar. This opens a context menu with customization options. Step 3. Select Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. This moves the toolbar to a more accessible position beneath the ribbon. Step 4. Notice the new placement of the toolbar, which provides a cleaner, more convenient layout for your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips.